Hello everyone, welcome to LMS. Previous session ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. Session 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ we are going to solve another two problems. We'll see the first problem. A rectangular beam 60 mm wide and 150 mm deep is simply supported over a span of 6 meter if the beam is subjected to central point load of 12 kilonewton. Find the maximum bending stress induced in the beam section. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ ಸಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬೀಮ್ ಓವರ್ ಎ ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ 6 ಮೀಟರ್, ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಲೋಡ್ ಆಫ್ 12 ಕಿಲೋನ್ಯೂಟನ್. ಸೊ ಗಿವನ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. breadth B is equal to 60 mm, depth D is equal to 150 mm and length L is equal to 6 meter of span. So convert that into mm, 6000 mm, and load is given point load 12 kilonewton. So write a formula immediately. M by I is equal to FB by Y is equal to E by R. Here Young's modulus and radius of curvature is not given, so ignore E by R. Take only two formula like M by I is equal to FB by Y. Now M for simply supported beam at central point load ge M is already known. I explained in previous sessions. So M is equal to WL by 4. Load is given, point load, and L is known, divided by 4, that is equal to 18 kilonewton meter. Convert kilonewton meter to Newton mm. So it is 18 into 10 power 6 Newton mm, and Z is equal to BD square by 6. Section modulus B is given, depth is given, and finally the Z is equal to 225 into 10 cube mm cube. Now finally the FB, that is bending stress, is equal to M by Z. So that is like M by is equal to FB by I, FB by Y. I ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ I by Y is nothing but Z. So now FB is equal to M by Z. So M already calculated and Z also calculated. Substitute all the values to the formula. Finally the bending stress FB is equal to 80 Newton per mm square. The answer is 80 Newton per mm square. Next problem is the moment of inertia of a beam section 50 mm deep is 69.49 into 10 power 7 mm to the power of 4. Find the longest span over which a beam of this section when simply supported could carry UDL of 50 kilonewton per meter run over the entire span. The bending stress in the material of the beam is not to exceed 110 Newton per mm. So immediately start writing given things. So I is given, moment of inertia, that is 69.49 into 10 power 7 mm to the power of 4, and depth D is given 50 mm, and wide or width W is, sorry, not width, that is load W is equal to 50 kilonewton per meter, and FP, the bending stress, is equal to 110 Newton per mm square. Immediately write a formula, bending equation. M by I is equal to FB by Y is equal to E by R. So Young's modulus and radius of curvature is not given, so ignore this. And Y we can easily find out. Y is equal to D by 2, that is 50 by 2, 25 mm. Now M is equal to I by Y into FB. I is given, FB is known, and Y is known. Calculate the M. So M we get 3.06 into 10 power 3 kilonewton meter. So whatever we are getting before, that is in Newton mm, because all the values we substituted in mm, so we got in mm. So convert that into kilonewton meter, because whatever the span we are getting, that is in meter. So the condition is simply supported beam with UDL. For that the moment M is equal to WL square by 8. This I have already explained in session 2. So now modify a formula in terms of L. The L is equal to square root of 8M divided by W. Now substitute all the values to the modified formula. Finally we got L is equal to 22.12 meter. The span of beam is 22.12 meter. So these are the reference, these are the learning website. Thank you all. Thank you so much. Remaining problem I will be explaining next session. Thank you.